Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Yes, as you can see here on a screen, that is Hostinger. Yes, so today we will be discussing here in this video how you can create an email account under your domain inside Hostinger. So let's get started with that. So I have purchased this domain avelox.co.in inside Hostinger itself, and I want to create some emails inside that domain. For this, you will have to click on this emails. Then you will find all your domains you have purchased under your Hostinger plan. Click on manage. Then here you can see I have already created a one, and that is currently is in active mode. For creating a new one, I will have to click here, create email account. Let's suppose I have to create a HR, and I will put here a strong password. Okay, click on create. Now these are the optional steps. Let me try this S2. Then click on create, and that will also be created. Suppose you want to set up that with a particular client like Outlook, Thunderbirds, Gmail, then it will also give you an option. Otherwise you can simply, you will have to use under their Hostinger webmail. Okay, so coming back to this, and I want to delete this one because this one just for the testing purpose. Now let me try opening this by using the credential setup. Okay, so I will type here the Hostinger mail. Okay, so mail.hostinger here, and I am going to put the credential. Try click on login. Yes, it is working. So same here you can create at your end, and please let me know in case you see any challenges. I am here to help. Thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.